What is going on, YouTube? Just got back from a work trip, had some shoes arrive, and I am going to do a quick unboxing. Not sure when this will be posted, but nonetheless, we're going to do it real quick. I'm not going to do any on foot or any of that nonsense. Yeah, just let's do this. Little bit different shoe than I normally wear, but I was looking for something kind of specific, and we're going to see how this thing works. All right, what this is called is the W Nike Sprint Sister. Yeah, women's shoe. This is in sail, black and sail. See here, can we do this? There we go. I think that might be it. There you are. All right, so on the website, on Nike's app, it it was saying that these are men's and women's sizes. This is a woman's shoe. I don't know what you people do. I have zero problem wearing a woman's colorway. There's some stuff back in the back here. Some of the dunks, I got zero problem with it. But here we go. This is it. Very, very low profile silhouette. Kind of that's sort of the vibe right now, I guess, with the kind of the jogger shoes and the whatnot. Gotta say, just in hand, out of box, this is all right. I dig it, actually. Soft leather, really flexible. Very, very basic shoe. The reason that I wanted this, I ordered a pair of these in a different colorway for wifey, and once she got them, she was kind of she kind of dug them, and I thought that the white and black looked good. And I'm old enough to remember. Tell me how many of you people are old enough to remember this. Let me get some of this shit out of the way. Remember when David Letterman had his kind of original talk show, and he would go out on stage, and when they would pan away, he would wear the wrestling shoes? Yeah, I kind of did the same thing back in the day. Wearing wrestling shoes around casually was sort of a vibe. And what was great about being able to wear those is they were remarkably comfortable. Very, very soft sole, very flexible shoes, and they were just good for casual walking about. That was the kind of, call it, late 80s, 90s version of these jogger style shoes. And I've been kind of peeping out the wrestling shoes again over the last couple years, and just can't see. I don't think that it's something that I would wear on a regular basis. Not that that keeps me from getting shoes, but whatever. It just didn't. The wearing a wrestling shoe now doesn't seem like something that I would do frequently. Whereas this, doing a low profile version of it, yeah, I might do this. Was something, I saw it on Nike's site. I've been watching. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on just trying something that I may never wear. But they hit sale the other day. They knocked 20% off. I don't know if that's still going on. I think it is. But yeah, 20% off on the Nike app. These fell into that category, so I went ahead and grabbed them. I've said before in these videos, I've spent I've spent dumber money on dumber shit. But yeah, same kind of well, this shoe looks just like the other one that I just showed you. We got a kind of nylonish tab, outer shoe, all leather, leather swoosh, leather back tab, says Nike on it. Very, very low profile sole. Again, kind of flexible. I'm not gonna do an on foot thing. I may post some pictures on the little posts section of my channel. I don't know. I am kicking it on here as I talk to you, and yeah, good fit. This just putting it on. We've all put on enough shoes. You know, as soon as you put one on, whether it's going to be a good fit or not. And yeah, I kind of dig this. I was surprised to see on the box here that there's no men's sizing on the box. Typically, if you get the Dunks or you get other variants of shoes that they advertised men and women's sizing, you can expect to see the same on the box. I'm surprised not to have seen it. So I guess that little W thing there at the beginning, that means that they intend this as a true woman's shoe. Okay, that's fine. I will wear this shoe, 100%. This will be something. Fit seems good. I didn't tighten it up or anything. It's on foot right now, and absolutely, it's a narrow. You could tell by the profile, it's a narrower shoe. So I expected that. It's not tight. And again, I just kind of like this. I like this sole. Like the silhouette. It's kind of basics. It's even a more basic version of that casual kind of throw on shoe than the tennis classics that I just grabbed. Yeah, I can see this being a just kick it on and for quick trips to the store, running errands, that kind of thing. I might wear it out. It'll probably look good with just some joggers or whatever. Like I said, I might throw a couple more pictures of it on foot up on the posts section of the channel. But yeah, just super quick. That's it. Medial side, outside of the shoe. There you go. You got that. 11. It coordinates with 11 women's coordinates with a men's 9.5. I would say true to size, and yeah, I would definitely do this. I would do this in a different color. If I keep peeping out the site, if I catch these on sale or something in another colorway, I would do more of these. So, not sure what that says about me as a dude wearing women's shoes, but you know, it's not like I'm okay with whatever it says, because I'm gonna rock these. Yeah, that's all I got. Super quick. If you got any questions, got any comments, do you wear women's shoes sometimes? Are you in that, or are we in that same category where we don't mind? Yeah, leave a comment. Don't be mean, please. I'd ask you to not be mean. Throw a like, subscribe, do a subscription thing. There we go. I'm going to stop this before it gets to 10 minutes because you guys have heard me before. And yeah, Sprint Sister, Nike. There you go.